I think we'll be coming up to the end of the main wash now. I think this similarly relates to daily 59 minutes. I think this wash is exactly the same. I don't think there's not much difference in it, which is a bit of a pain really, because I thought with the Smart Touch it'll all be very different cycles, but obviously it bloody isn't, and I'm a bit annoyed. I can't see it doing mini spins in between rinses. I can't see it doing deep rinses either, which might be annoying. Don't forget to subscribe.